In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to an email address in WordPress. If you've ever wanted to create an email link on your WordPress site, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through each step to make sure you can do this quickly and efficiently. This process should take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, head over to wordpress.com. If you're not logged in, you'll need to do that now. Finding the login page should be straightforward, so once you're there, click on the login button. If you're anything like me and you prefer convenience, you might want to continue with Google. You'll find this option readily available, so just click on continue with Google. Moving forward, you'll need to select the Google account you wish to use. Doing this will log you into your WordPress site without having to remember another password, which can be a real time saver. Once logged in, turn your attention to the right hand panel where you'll find quick links. Among these handy shortcuts, locate and click on Edit Site. This area is where you can make modifications to your WordPress site, and it's perfect for what we're about to do next. Now look for the add button at the top left of your screen. It's usually clearly marked, and this is what you'll need to click to add a new block to your website. Blocks are the foundation of WordPress sites, allowing you to add different types of media and links to your pages. After clicking add, type in the word embed in the search bar. This action helps WordPress know what kind of block you're aiming to create. When you see the embed block, click on it. This area is where the email link will be formed. In the embed field, you need to type in mail to, followed by your email address. For example, it should look like this, mailtoyou@example.com. This format is essential because it tells the web browser that this is an email link, so ensure every character is correct. Now, with the email address properly inputted, go ahead and click embed again. This action creates an embedded link, but we need to make one more transformation to finalize it. The last step is to click on Convert to Link. This step essentially changes the embedded text into a clickable, functional email link for your site visitors. And there you have it, your email link is now up and running on your WordPress site, making it easy for visitors to contact you. If executed correctly, your email link should open a new Compose window in the visitor's email client. Thanks for joining me today, and hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to share it with anyone who might benefit, and I'll see you in the next video.